Hello. I am live now. This is Paul Hauersberger, and I'm doing a little walk through Meadowbrook Park and enjoying the beautiful day. It is nice and warm, still in the 60s out here. And I've got something that I'm going to share with you. Encourage you to either join with me or just watch. My partner in the race to 100K, Miriam, and I have been doing the magic, and that is a book written by Rhonda Byrne, and she was the creator of The Secret. And what the magic is, it is a 28-day practice in gratitude. So for 28 days you have a different gratitude practice that you do, and it is Miriam and I did it over the last 28 days. It was great. I learned so much about myself and about being grateful, and how when you're grateful, amazing things show up in your life. And about 2 weeks into it, I had this feeling that I wanted to share this with you. I'm going to do it again and again and again. So this time when I go through, I'm going to start tomorrow, and what I'm going to do is, in the end of the day, I will give you my experience, my thoughts, my feelings of that day's gratitude practice. Sorry about the sun getting in the glare, but I'll do the gratitude practice. I'll share it with you. It'll be a time for me to reflect on what I experienced. And also, if you want to follow me, you can either message me when you're doing this, or I'll be your silent accountability partner. So you'll see what I did, what I experienced, and then you can do your own. So I encourage you to, this is the book, The Magic. I hope it's probably backwards. I'm Michelle. And join me as I walk through 28 days of gratitude and just share with you what happens. There could be days that I am in funk and I don't want to do it, because I planned on starting this about a week ago, and crap happens, stinking thinking, all that stuff. So I'm jumping outside of the comfort zone, and I'm going to be with you for the next 28 days or longer, because if it happens where I miss a day, I'll explain to you what she talks about in the book to stay on track. So I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. It'll be tomorrow evening. I'll do another live, and we'll wrap day one. So you guys have a great day. Look forward to sharing it with you. Love y'all. Bye-bye.